Imagine waking up and watching the beautiful view of Kanchenjunga right outside your window. In today's video, travel with me to a beautiful hamlet called Chatakpur in West Bengal, India. It is ideal for those looking for an offbeat destination away from the hustle bustle and noise. Chatakpur is about 10 kilometers before Darjeeling, and it takes about 30 minutes from Sonada. Chatakpur is a small forest village located inside the Senchal Wildlife Sanctuary, with about 25 houses which are homestays mainly. There is a small shop which provides essential supplies. There are no restaurants or hotels, and all meals are served by the homestay owners. This place is one of the most secluded tourist destinations of this region. There is a watchtower also called the Viewpoint, which is a short walk away located on top of the hill. Do wake up early and go to the watchtower if you are fond of watching sunrises. The views of Mount Kanchenjunga from here is way better than Tiger Hill. In Chatakpur, there is not much of activities available other than going for a short jungle hike. There is a small lake inside the jungle which the locals consider sacred. For fooding and lodging, it is about 1200 rupees per day per head. The basic meal plan includes wet tea, breakfast, lunch, evening tea and dinner. You can laze away time maybe with a book in hand and cups of hot tea. It will just be you and Kanchenjunga. If you love serenity, nature and cold weather, Chatakpur is for you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like and share. Leave your queries about Chatakpur in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.